marcha na naman. Bagong marcha. Saan po yung graduation natin today?
Sa Don Muang. Kasi wala siyang
kasi
buwang.
si Don ay walang buwang.
Yes.
Collab to.
Collab. It's a collab between Ursula and Little Mermaid.
Oh. Welcome. Welcome. Hey. Oh, yan.
Pag ayaw niyo yung hamburger,
Very Japanese.
Yung walang helmet.
Day 1, we're going to Wat Arun. Saan? Nasa Wat Arun kami. Mamimili na kami ng costume namin.
Yeah, we have to take for you. Sure, we have it. How many of us are looking at it? I'll leave it that picture. It was safe, I know.
Halika. Halika na't pumunta sa ating kamaharian. Ako'y naiinitan. So pretty. Yan. Kamusta naman kayo sa Kubo?
kamusta kayo sa... Nag-Thailand tayo para mag-experience tayo.
There's the Padrapaw.
Ano ka nang tilapia?
Wow. This is the boat station. Wow.
It's the rainbow cake. Pakita mo po yung pinamili mo sa 7-Eleven. Tapos pakisabi kung magkano siya.
This is only 20 pesos. 50 pesos. Basically, with 2 eggs. Walang kwenta. Kasi nagdami ng pinas ng egg.
Pakita mo yung rice.
This one is just 40 baht. 80 pesos.
Ang bako. Parang ganun.
Jeremy, look at this. This rice. 40 baht only. Mabubusog ka na. Kahit ka na construction worker, mabubusog. My milk tea is just 29 baht.
Yeah.
So it's just 50
Authentic
pesos.
milk tea from Thailand.
Yeah, tatay ka later.
Okay, bye. See you in Shanghai. This is the temple.
Ito, how much to? Naman.
Bigalas mo na yun. Dito tayo sa hot spring, may dala pong egg si Denise para i-boil.
It's a quail
Ganun
egg.
siya kainit. We cannot see, ah.
Yeah, it is.
We're paying na for the 300 baht for the long neck village. Entrance fee.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo. Pupunta na kami kay Wangod. We're to Wangod.
Here, that's one have a meaning. The meaning is have a long life, good life. That's what I have. Yeah.
Kaya nakala buhay ko. Mauna kayo mamatay sa
Tsaka leg. Si Ariel. Si Ariel.
Si Ariel.
Nung napunta sa kabundukan ng Siak.
Our game is Myanmar, but due to the war, they have escaped.
Si Ariel.
Nakabali buntot
Mabalik.
na.
Imbes na buntot yung humabalik.
Tinanggal ka namin.
Kamukha mo si Mama.
Got our ticket for the White Temple. Ano ang passport? Thank you. Alin yan? Alin ko? Oh, isa lang kinuha ko.
Ang sarap ng curry. Actually. I love the curry. No, the chicken also. There's the taste the green curry. Tingnan mo, TV, nakakain ka. Wait lang, paglamin. Made of stapler shot. Annyeonghaseyo.
Pero anyong, nandito na kami sa Pattaya at the White Sanctuary. Ano yun? White Sanctuary
And
of
the
Truth.
Sanctuary of Lies.
Truth. Wala palang White Sanctuary of Truth lang.
Kami yung lang.
Ito white temple.
Then, hala, yung ipit ko.
Pwede na tayo.
Natutulog sila dyan.
Nakaangat yung maibig na. Nakaangat yung helmet.
It's kind of a bit dusty and also noisy, but it's very rare for people like you to be able to see the real traditional process like this. Here you can see all of our wooden artists do their work patiently. And you can witness here how the museum is created piece by piece with passions and patience. So together let's walk with the tour patiently as well. Now let's go inside everyone this way.
Pwede.